Our life has become simpler thanks to technology and inventive kitchen gadgets and devices. However, the efficiency of a device depends on how well it is used. If you are wondering what are we talking about, then take an example of a microwave. If you have a microwave at home and are using it only for reheating your food, you're missing out on a lot. Turns out, your hotbox can do much more than just making your food warm. These brilliant hacks can make your daily kitchen work uncomplicated in many ways. 1. Reheating leftovers. Are you planning to use last night's leftovers for breakfast today? Reheat cold leftover food easily without making it dry or tasteless. All you need to do is to keep the food in the microwave along with a glass of water. Heat the food along with the glass of water for a minute. The water helps in adding moisture to the air inside the microwave, which prevents the food from drying out. This is an excellent option for pizzas, rotis, or anything that easily dries out. 2. Peeling garlic. Peeling garlic is a daunting task because of its pungent smell and sticky texture. However, you can put the garlic in the microwave and heat it for not more than 15 seconds. The heat will draw out the moisture from the garlic clove, which gets trapped between the skin and loosens it. Once you take it out, the skin will easily slide off. 3. Squeeze out the lemon juice easily. It does get difficult to squeeze the juice out of a lime, but here's an easy trick. Heat the lemon for about 10 to 20 seconds in the microwave so that the pulp inside becomes soft and you will be able to take the juice out easily. 4. Is your food not heating evenly? Here's what to do. It is disappointing to pull out a plate of pasta or rice and find that only the top surface has been heated and everything below remains cold. To prevent this, shape the food like a ring around the dish and leave some space in the center. Spreading out the food reduces the volume and gives it more surface area for the heat to be absorbed evenly. 5. Are onions making you cry? Try this before bringing onions under the knife, trim off the ends and heat them for about 30 seconds. Your eyes will be saved from the stinging sensation while you chop the onion merrily. When you make a cut with a knife, you disrupt its cells, further releasing volatile sulfur compounds that cause you to drop tears. 6. Preserve fresh herbs. It is advised not to keep fresh herbs that are moist and wet in the refrigerator if you happen to have washed and cleaned them. If you want to preserve them well, wrap them in a paper towel and heat them in the microwave for about 30 seconds, allowing them to dry out. This may make them last longer in the refrigerator. 7. Do you know how to check if your container is microwavable or not? Here is an easy way to find out. Fill a mug or cup of water that you already know is safe for the microwave. Place it on the container you want to test and heat for 2-3 seconds. If the water is hot and the container is cold, it is microwavable. But if the container becomes hot, it may not be safe to use it. 8. Have your potato chips become soggy? Here's a brilliant way to make them crunchy again. Did you leave a bag of potato chips open and now they've lost their crunch? Place the chips in paper towels and set them in the microwave. Heat them for about 10 to 20 seconds. The paper towels will absorb the moisture from the chips and they'll turn crispy again. 9. One microwave hack that will save time. Forgot to soak lentils or beans overnight? All you need to do is place those beans or lentils in a bowl filled with water, add a pinch of baking soda and microwave them for about 10 minutes. Allow them to rest for 30 to 40 minutes, after which they are good to be used. 10. Fix crystallized honey. To restore crystallized honey, remove the lid and heat the jar in the microwave for about 2 minutes. It will become smooth and golden just like it used to be. Remember these simple microwave hacks as they can really come in handy and make your kitchen life a whole lot better. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you want more health info and tips, subscribe to the channel.